Hello coders and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug. First, let's run code 1 that generate the error and let's see what happens. So here's a clear explanation and the fix for this issue. Please feel free to pause the video to read through the explanation. Now we'll debug the code and observe the final output. And ta-da! The code is working as it should and our output is looking good. The error has disappeared. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more code fixing videos. Stay curious, keep learning, and happy coding everyone.